loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay y'all, so before I jump right into this wig review, if y'all hear any kind of noises or anything, please excuse me. I don't know if my neighbor or neighbors, one is playing super loud music, the other one is arguing, and they do that all the time. So yeah, I'm sorry y'all, my apologies. But now into this wig. So this wig is courtesy of Vanessa Fashion Hair or Vanessa Hair Fashion. I don't know, I think I see it two different ways on different things. But either way, I'm gonna put it right here so you guys will know exactly what the company name is. So they sent me this wig right here that is 35 inches long, y'all. 35 inches. So this unit comes from their Honey collection. It says it's a tops lace front human hair blend, Swiss silk lace Brazilian human hair blend. It's in the style THB Melrose 35. I'm assuming the 35 stands for the 35 inches long, because I think that's how long it is. Don't quote me, but I think so. It's heat safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. It has ear to ear Swiss silk lace. It says it's tangle free. I'll get into that at another time though. It comes in multiple different colors, but I have it in the color 99 Jet. So that's pretty much all of the deets that I see on the packaging. So it did come in a nice size box. So this is the back of the box. And as you guys can see, the wig does go all the way down and then it forms into a V shape. So that's what it says, the super V long. So now, my feelings on this unit. So my initial thoughts on this unit is I absolutely love the color. I think that this color complements my skin so well. I believe that this might be more of a fall color than it is a spring summer color. So unfortunately I might put this wig up just so that I can be fall ready. But I don't know if I'll be able to hold out that long because I genuinely love this unit. Anytime I work with Vanessa Fashion Hair, their parting is always weird to me. I'm always nervous because they don't part their wigs. It's just like a hump. So you never know how much parting space you have to work with. So when I did part it, as you can see, I don't have much parting space. I do feel like I have more than that bluish greenish unit that I reviewed before. If you guys saw that, one of my favorite wigs. So yeah, I do feel like I have a little bit more parting space, but I would love it so much better if it could go like further back. It stops like right here. So yeah, it's not a lot of parting space. I love the fact that it does come with baby hair. So if you guys see these hairs right here, these are the baby hairs that came with the unit. They are so natural. I love it. Very easy to just swoop them on down. I also love the length of it. It's not too bad. Now mind you, Zuri has had me put 40 inches. I can't remember, I think 40 inches might be the longest, or 45 inches. I don't know. I've worn some very long lengths. So this 35 is a cakewalk. It's a walk in the park for me. It doesn't even seem too long. Like when I'm sitting down, it touches like my side. When I'm standing up, it literally touches like the my lower back. It touches my lower back. So it's not too long to where I feel like, oh my goodness, I'm dragging on the floor, nor do I feel like Rapunzel, because I've had those moments too. It's a pretty nice length. I can work with it. So the cons, which I've kind of already got into as far as the parting space, is also that it's not tangle free. It says tangle free on there, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it does tangle. So the tangling isn't too bad for me. Like I don't mind carrying around a comb and, you know, having to comb it out. One, it's 35 inches long. Two, it's a synthetic, well, human hair blend. So I don't expect it to be tangle free, but it does tangle up. But as long as you have a comb and you don't mind, you know, combing it out or so, then it's fine. So that would be my only con, the parting space and then the tangling. Like that would be a con of mine. But other than that, like I absolutely love this wig. I'm gonna rock this wig. I just feel like it's a sexy wig. Like it's making me excited. But you guys let me know if you like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and then stay tuned for the unboxing as well as how long it is on me. And so I hope to see you guys in my next video.
I wanna give you what you want. Give you what you want. Every emotion